look. There's a one strawberry. Oh, there's a two. There's a three strawberries. Let's go by. Whoa! Why is so many? It's a many strawberries. There. Look it. We found strawberries. Can I eat it?
Dili pwede.
Please.
Dili oy, saban ta.
Please.
Magtan-aw raw di ba ta?
I'm gonna eat it.
Ayaw, dili ay. Saban ta. Tara, let's go na, uli na ta. Ay, ato na ta dito pikas.
Oh, simple. We touch it?
Ayaw. Ayaw, dili guniti.
It's too dangerous.
Yeah.
It's about melt and ice?
Hmm.
Oh man, I'm so very scared.
Ano man?
I know, I can touch it. That's strawberries.
Tara.
There. Let's go back. It's strawberries. It's strawberries so sad. What's another strawberries? Too many. What's the moon? Yeah.
Tara.
Strawberries is so very bantay. Nice strawberries.
Bye-bye na sa strawberry.
Bye-bye, raspberries. We say bleh. Bleh. I don't like strawberries.
Ha? Ha?
I don't like strawberries.
Ano man, kaya wala ka ka-kuan, wala ka ka-on. Tara na.
What is this and now? What is this?
Butangan na nagkuan.
What is this? Oh, this is a barrel. What is this? Oh, the barrel is done. Way too far.
Way too far now. Oh no.
We get lost. Everyone don't say me. We're lost. Everyone is only.